TestFit connects deal creation, site planning, and generative design in one workflow, from a quick start on the web to a fully resolved plan. Land on the welcome page and find Deal Creation, Training Files, Deal Pipeline, Assets, and Resources across the top. You can access recent deals, view them in the deal map, and sort by phase, all in one dashboard. Access the pipeline view from the Deals section on the left side, and make sure the pipeline view is selected at the top right. In this view, deals organize into status columns you can rearrange to fit your team. Deal cards show key stats, like acreage, FAR, net rentable square feet, and parking stalls at a glance. Drag a deal to a new stage, open it directly, or use the filter and search to find exactly what you need. In Canvas, take advantage of the Grade Easement tool to highlight terrain that's too steep to build on, based on a percentage threshold that you set, visible at all times or on hover. One click turns that highlighted area into an easement, the same streamlined workflow that's used for flood maps. And auto-create on new sites carries it forward to every new site defined. Within the subdivision preset, the organic circulation type generates curvilinear branching road networks with an intensity slider that controls how much branching occurs. Cul-de-sacs form automatically at terminal road points with a radius that can be set globally or adjusted per cul-de-sac, producing neighborhood-style layouts with far less manual editing. Evaluating retail configurations on a parcel has meant running separate studies for each scenario, one assembly at a time, one pass at a time. Generative Design supports placing multiple retail assemblies on a parcel and iterating across multiple assembly tags in the solve filters, so a wider range of building types and placements can be evaluated in a single pass. Splitview lets you see your 2D plan and 3D model at the same time. Click once to split the canvas side by side. Click again to stack the views vertically. Drag the divider to resize each panel to fit your workflow. Visit testfit.io and schedule a demo.